Hello friends, hope you fine. Today I'm going to introduce a very powerful or magical love spell to get call from your lover. And this love spell is very easy. Anybody can do this love spell. While doing this love spell, you have to see that no one should see you, interrupt you, or nobody should call you while doing this love spell. So I'm going to tell you how you have to do this love spell. First of all, you have to write the name of your person. Person's name. You have to write 5 times your person's full name. You have to write it for 5 times. Please keep these things with you. One candle, it could be red color or yellow color or any color, but don't use the black candle. You have to use blue pen. Please don't use the black pen. And please take a paper or a plain paper for this. Please burn this candle to do this love spell. After that, on it you have to write your full name. 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 You have to write it like this. Please turn on the candle while doing this love spell. After that, what you have to do, you have to write these words. Please, once you start writing these words, please don't up your pen while doing this love spell. Like if you are starting like this, please don't up your pen. Write it regularly. For example, I want the love from my lover. I have to write love. Love, love, love. I have to write love here as this. After you writing, you can up your if you want it like unblock. If you want that your lover is going to unblock, you have to write here unblock. If you want friendship, then you can write friendship as like this. After that, what you have to do, you have to fold the papers towards you. Please fold it towards you, don't fold up opposite you. You have to fold it towards you like this four times like this, and then you have to do like this. You have to keep in your hands and close your hands and say that you have to take your lover's name. For example, your lover name is John. I want John back in my life. That's my message to universe. I want John as my lover. This message to universe and John. Please come back, John. You have to say these words and you have to feel, you have to express your feeling. And what you have to do after that, you have to keep this paper in your pocket. Don't burn it. And until this candle is not finished, please don't off this candle. You have to burn this candle. Please don't turn off this candle. If you turn off this candle before burning hole, this would not work. While doing this love spell, if you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us on our number that is showing out the top of the screen. Thanks for watching our video. Please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.